Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will be unboxing Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and after that I will give you some info about buying it from different cellular companies and what will be the pricing detail and deals you will get from them. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and let's start with the unboxing. Let's start with the Galaxy Buds. We'll put the phone aside. And so very decent casing. Oh, there you go. It's pure black, sewn by AKG, and there you go. It's pretty small as I expected. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. There's a charging cable. Oh, and you also got different sizes of earplugs. Yeah, that's all about the Galaxy Buds. Let's put them aside. Now let's go for the big boy, S20 Ultra 5G. Whoa, there you go. Yep, I think there we have some paperwork. Yeah, the same insertion tool. And the manual, yes. Put it aside. Side. So here we have the 25-watt super fast charging adapter, and we have the charging cable, right? And we also get the AKG earphones. Oh, that's all the accessories. So we get the power button here, and I think these are the volume control, the SIM tray, and we have the blank side on the left hand side, the type C, and the speaker is in the bottom, I guess. Yep. So let's turn this on. There you go. So by the time it is setting up, I will give you a quick info about the different prices and plans with different networks. So when you get it from Rogers, the same 128 gigabytes model, it gives you 10 gigabytes of high-speed data per month with zero upfront. It costs you around $152 plus taxes. And with Bell, you get the same the 128 GB model with zero upfront. It costs you similar to the Rogers, around $152 plus taxes. Even with the Telus, you get the almost same plan as Rogers and Bell with the $152 plus taxes. The best plan I suggest to most of the people, especially the students, is we're getting from the Freedom Mobile, and It gives you 15 GB of data for a month, and for zero upfront the same 128 GB model with $45 tab and 75 for the phone. It costs you around $120 plus taxes, which is pretty decent price for such a nice phone. Also, if you want to buy this phone for the regular price, it's gonna cost you around $1,850 from official Samsung Canada website. You can order it from there. There you go. We are all set to Samsung Galaxy Ultra S20 5G. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel.